Hello and welcome to Coding with Stephen. Today we're going to be running through one of our JavaScript basics challenges, convert time to milliseconds. Before we get started, what you'll see up in front of you here is just a set of instructions on how to get started with all of these challenges and get your environment set up exactly like mine is here. So I'll leave a link in the video description just so you can go and download all of this and get yourself set up so that you can work along if you choose to. So today we'll be running through the convert time to milliseconds challenge. So we'll just head over to the instructions file that comes with this particular challenge just to familiarize ourselves with what we need to do. So we're going to have a function called convert to milliseconds, and this function should take three parameters, one for hours, minutes and seconds, and it should return the total time as a value in milliseconds. And for the purpose of this, each of those parameters will be a positive integer, so either 0 or greater. So that seems fairly simple. We'll just grab the test command here. So each challenge actually comes with a set of tests that you can run against your code just to see that they work, and you can just copy and paste that command into the terminal. When you run it for the first time like this, obviously they'll all be failing because we actually haven't filled in any of the code that we need to do to get them working. So let's head over and do that now. So we've got the convert to milliseconds function here. We've got hours, minutes, and seconds. So there's 1,000 milliseconds in each second, so we can use that as a reference value there. So first thing we're going to do is actually calculate the number of milliseconds in the number of seconds that we've got passed in as a parameter here. So I'm just going to create a new variable and call that seconds to milliseconds. And then all that should need to do is take seconds times 1,000, and that'll give us our value for how many milliseconds are in the seconds that we've got. And we'll do the same just for the minutes. Obviously there's 60 seconds per minute, so what we'll need to do is actually multiply that value by 60 to get the value for minutes. And similarly we'll run through hours, and we'll actually all we'll need to do for that, similar to the minutes, is just multiply that by 60 as well. So what we've got is seconds times 1,000 gives us milliseconds, minutes same but multiplied by 60, and then the same for hours but multiplied by 60 again to get a number of minutes in an hour as well. All we'll need to do now is just actually return the sum of these three values, which you can do with the addition operator quite simply like so. So we'll save that, we'll run our tests, and we should get five passing tests there. So once you've filled in your code and you run your tests and everything is looking good, you should be good to go.